Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Canva to Mailchimp. This integration helps you create and share eye-catching designs for your email campaigns and social media posts. First, log into your Mailchimp account. Then, head over to the Integrations page, which is typically found in the left-hand navigation menu. Search for Canva and click to begin the connection process. This initial step is crucial for linking the two powerful platforms. After finding Canva in the integrations, click Connect to initiate the authorization. A pop-up window will guide you to log into your Canva account using your credentials. Review the data connection disclaimers carefully. Once you click Allow, you grant Mailchimp permission to access your Canva designs, making them available across both platforms. This secure handshake takes only a few moments to complete. Now that your accounts are linked, you can design captivating visuals in Canva. Whether it's a banner, an infographic, or a call-to-action button, Canva offers thousands of templates and over 2 million stock photos. Once your design is perfect, click the Share button in Canva. Select Mailchimp from the sharing options to send your design directly to your Mailchimp Content Studio, ready for your campaigns. With your designs synced, head to Mailchimp's Content Studio. You'll find a dedicated Canva tab where all your imported designs reside. When building an email, simply drag and drop an image block into your template. Then, select your desired Canva design from the Content Studio. This seamless integration allows you to elevate your email marketing with visually appealing, on-brand content, saving you valuable time and effort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.